Doing another camping trip. Came back to an old spot that we haven't been to in a couple of months because some people were actually living out here. But they left us a couple of nice surprises. First, this very elaborate teepee setup with my son posing. As well as leaving us a nice little mess. This area was covered with that lattice material, and they created a nice little shitter that they abandoned when they got kicked out. So I'm going to end up filling it in. Incomplete. All filled in and blocked off from previous use. Subscribe for more. Peace.